thinking, bro.
Do you brush, Aradhya?
Yes,
How much toothpaste do you use to brush?
this much.
Then, how much toothpaste is required to brush the largest land animal, elephant?
I think so. This much.
Today I am going to conduct an experiment named Elephant's Toothpaste.
Oh, how is that possible?
Wait and watch.
Okay.
For that, first you must take potassium permanganate.
So this box has crystals of potassium permanganate.
And hydrogen peroxide and this soap. Already I have added potassium permanganate to the water. It's little dilute, so I am going to add a little more. I am going to stir it well.
Hi everyone, this is Aradhya.
And this is Arjun.
Welcome to my channel. It's Arjun Aradhya.
I think the potassium permanganate is mixed well.
I think so. It's very thick, purple.
Yes. Now let me add few drops of dish soap.
I think so enough.
No.
Okay. Okay.
You must stir it again.
Oh.
Now it's mixed well. It's time to add the hydrogen peroxide. Stay away, Aradhya.
Okay, bro. Scared what will happen now? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wow. Did you see Aradhya? It was this much, but it became this much.
Yes.
Wow! Even you can try to prepare like this elephant toothpaste at your home. We made it in a small quantity, but if you make in a large quantity, large amount of paste will be produced. You can use this to surprise your friends and family.
And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.